Hello, this is Emilio Melendez from Boricua Realty, and today we're in Naguabo, Puerto Rico. Casabella, Naguabo. Look what I have for you today. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, humongous, beautiful home. Look at this. You can buy it furnished. We also have it for rent. And as you can see, this is your dining area, living area, and this is your chef's kitchen. Who wouldn't want to cook here? My God. It's in a great neighborhood, one of the best areas here in Naguabo. And now we're going to the master bedroom. Very, very large master bedroom. Very large master closet, and our ensuite bathroom, beautifully decorated. Hi, this is me. And it doesn't get better than this. Now we're going to the other side of the house. And here on this other side, we have 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. This is bathroom number 2. Incredibly decorated. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. And we're going to bedroom number 4. And here you've got it. Emilio Melendez from Boricua Realty. This is the house you were looking for. Call me, 954-558-2277, Boricua Realty. Thank you very much.